What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the Cricket Magic 2 5G, an affordable smartphone packed with premium features. Is this your next go-to device? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the design. The Cricket Magic 2 5G sports a stunning blue dusk finish, giving it a premium look and feel. It's slim, lightweight, and feels great in the hand, perfect for everyday use. The Cricket Magic 2 5G features a large 6.6-inch HD Plus display with a 20:9 aspect ratio and 720 by 1612 resolution. It also has a 90 Hz refresh rate, ideal for watching videos, browsing the web, or scrolling through social media. The color is vibrant, and the screen size is perfect for entertainment. Now let's talk cameras. The Cricket Magic 2 5G comes with a 13-megapixel main rear camera and a 5-megapixel wide-angle camera. Plus, it has an 8-megapixel front camera. Whether you're snapping selfies or capturing memories, this phone delivers solid results. Under the hood, the Cricket Magic 2 5G is powered by a 2.2 GHz MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus octa-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 512 GB. This means smooth multitasking and gaming without lag. Plus, with 5G connectivity, you'll enjoy blazing fast speeds for streaming and downloading. And let's not forget the battery. The Cricket Magic 2 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery to last you through the day. It also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up when needed. Here's the best part. This phone won't break the bank. The Cricket Magic 2 5G is available exclusively at Cricket Wireless for an unbeatable price. Free with port-in, new line on a minimum 55-month voice plan. $19.99 for new numbers, also on a 55-month plan. $39.99 for existing customers. Minimum 30-month plan and $25 upgrade fee. Full retail price, just $99.99. Pair it with Cricket's affordable plans, and you've got yourself a killer combo. Some additional features include NFC for Google Pay, Bluetooth 5.1, dual-band Wi-Fi, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that doubles as the power button. It also comes with Android 14 pre-installed, and a 2-year warranty from Cricket Wireless for peace of mind. Now that's a great perk. So, is the Cricket Magic 2 5G worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're upgrading or looking for a budget-friendly option, this phone has got you covered. Head to your nearest Cricket Wireless store or check it out online today. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.